My kids actually love this smoothie. Like, look at the color. They will ask for more. They can't have enough of this smoothie. And it just has three simple ingredients, not a drop of sugar, no added preservative, no artificial anything. I'm using three simple ingredients. You can get it from your local supermarket: spinach, banana, and pineapple. That's all. You don't need anything else. I do not add any dairy to this. I do not add anything. I just make sure I wash my spinach thoroughly, because I also cook spinach in my soups, and there's a factor of heat to help with germs. Even with that, like, you still have to wash it thoroughly. But when it comes to smoothies, there's no heat whatsoever. If anything, you're cooling it down. So, like, you need to wash it thoroughly. So I spend time washing my spinach that I use for smoothies. But my children absolutely love this green smoothie. The last time my mom came to visit and she saw them drinking it, she's like, wow, she's never seen children ask for green a green drink for second rounds. Like, how did I do it? I drink it a lot. I've always loved green smoothie. I would take green smoothie all day before I take a strawberry smoothie or any berry smoothie. It's always spinach smoothie for me, and I love it simple. I don't like to add too many things to it. Just spinach is enough. And then to sweeten it, and to, maybe if you don't like the taste of greens, or you're afraid of, that grassy taste, just add banana. And then if you want to control like your sugar level or anything, maybe you add just one banana. When I know that my children are going to be drinking this, I add 3 to 4 bananas. You will see that this makes up to 9 cups. So 3 to 4 bananas is still okay. It doesn't taste sweet. It's just doesn't, it has a taste, it has taste to it. It doesn't taste bland and green, but it doesn't taste like you got it from the store and it's just like full of sugar. That's something I'll never do, buy smoothie from the store, because they have to sell. They want you coming back, so they will bend to putting sugar into your smoothie. Even when they write 0 to little sugar, I don't trust that. They add sugar some way. There was a time I went on a sugar cleanse. If I tell you I couldn't find things that had to little to no sugar in them, it was very difficult, because they add sugar in almost everything. Even yogurt that says no sugar. Anyways, we've added our three simple ingredients like you've seen in the video. I put my spinach, I put my banana, I put my pineapple, and I'm blending it until it's fully, I want it to be very smooth. It makes it easier for my kids to drink when it's completely smooth. So this would take about 5 to 10 minutes. I let the blender rest, of course, in between. I don't want my blender going over and over again, trying to get this smooth. Another thing that I try to do is to add the right amount of water, because if you add too much water, it becomes way more tasteless. And then, because you added too much water, and then it starts separating too much because there's too much water. And then if you don't add enough water, it's going to be too thick, like it's hard to drink. But you see, this is the right consistency. Look at that color. Come on. I didn't even edit this video or do anything. No sugar, no dairy. And then I try to sprinkle some matcha on mine. I don't like to put matcha in the whole jug. I just put it in mine because I like matcha. I like the caffeine it gives me, but I don't want my children taking matcha. So I do that for my cup, but I give them theirs. And let me tell you something. You know why I'm always talking about my children liking this? They are picky eaters. So, like, for them to like this, I'm very happy.